Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So in the dollar yen, it still looks like this could be a wave 5 of a nice 5-wave up pattern. Still no evidence that this is over, and there's really nothing stopping it from going up even more and continuing to make higher highs. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this looks more like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe we are in a wave 5 of wave 5 now. We do have JPY CPI this week, so maybe this will end up turning back down, because if you go down to the daily time frame, like I've been saying for a long time now, there is definitely a possibility this is an A or maybe even a 1. This move up could possibly be 3 waves up for either a wave B or a wave 2. So if you do get a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside, that would definitely be a sort for me for either a wave C or a wave 3. But I would have to see some pretty good evidence that this is really going down, a nice break of structure, a nice engulfing move to the downside. I think it's more likely that it may just keep on going up, especially based on the weekly time frame. It looks like a 1, a 2, looks like a 3, it looks like a 4, and it looks like it should be in a wave 5 right now on the weekly time frame. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, if it respects a fib level, if it goes up, makes like a double top, which is that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of basically every trend if you're on the right time frame. Then it goes down, then it breaks structure. That is what will tell me that this is a wave C, probably a wave C of B or a wave C of 2, and that definitely would be a good sorting opportunity. But I would have to see this picture right here before I would even think about going short, because it may be more likely that it just keeps on going up, making those higher highs, higher lows on the 4 hour and daily time frame. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I'm actually already long on the dollar yen, because to me it looks like this is an A. It looks like it made 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave B. It looks like it's a wave C. It looks like the end of a Kretzen. Now, like I said, if it goes up, maybe continues to respect this 61%, goes down, breaks structure, I will definitely stop looking for longs. I'll definitely exit my longs, and I will definitely go short for the continuation of this downtrend. But I would have to see a break of structure. I would have to see that 3, 4, 5 shape before I would even consider going short for the continuation of this downtrend, because even though it looks like it could be a wave B or a wave 2, it may actually be the continuation of the uptrend on the weekly, like a wave 5 of wave 5. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program if you want access to my trade setups, or if you want access to my daily live trading sessions by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.